You're so damn gangster. This motherfucker keep running up on me, y'all. They mad at old boy. They like, nigga, you want that bad by yourself? Fuck that. Well, he coming back. He said, fuck that. You know what? Nah, I'm gonna leave him alone. They're like, nah, I'm gonna leave him alone. He ain't worth it. Look. He like, but me though? This nigga making too much noise. Hold up. What the fuck going on? Hold up. That's what he keep yelling at. Man, what? Man, why talk? They go the other one. Like, what this nigga think he is? Hold up. Let me see. Let me surround the block. Look at the blackbirds. Like, that's who you think this is, nigga. It's my shit, nigga. It's my shit, nigga. You back your ass up before I get surgical out this bitch. Like, back your ass up before I get surgical out this bitch. That nigga trying to come back. He trying to come back. He said, what? Hold up. Oh, it's a gangster party. They brought the whole gang. Hold up, I ain't gonna jump my nigga. This nigga just circling the block. He must be the guard. That nigga circling the block. He like, hold up, let me make sure everything good out this bitch. Fuck going on. This our shit. Like, man, open this goddamn bed. Open up. Bitch, open up. bitch, open up. Bitch. Like, this motherfucker, you wanna keep playing with me? Hey, open your ass up. That's what we do. Get high and look at birds in the morning. Oh, they gone now. They said I'm gone. Oh, no, he said I'm coming back. He said, hold up, ain't nobody right there? Let me see something. Oh, he running back up on me. Yo, ass up. They be thinking they slick and shit. They be trying to run up on me on the low. Commit murder. I'm gonna kill one of these bitch ass birds out here if he fucking with me. Look, he look like, what? What you talking about, nigga? Like, what? Like, hold on, y'all ain't just heard what this nigga done said. Y'all ain't heard what the nigga boy ass nigga just said. Like, hold the fuck up. Y'all ain't heard this nigga. Man, you know what? I'm about to go back to this bag. You're like, I'm about to go back to this bag. Open up, bitch. Open up. I'm mad now. Open back. Now I'm gone.